Hello everyone and welcome back to Destined Learning. Language is one of the most powerful tools humans use to communicate ideas, share knowledge, and connect with one another. But how does artificial intelligence make sense of our words, interpret our intent, and respond in meaningful ways? The answer lies in natural language processing, or NLP, a fascinating field of AI that bridges the gap between human language and machine understanding. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts of NLP and how it enables AI to understand text and speech and its real-world applications, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to translation tools and chatbots. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of how AI processes language and how NLP is transforming the way we interact with technology. Let's dive in. Welcome back to our AI series. Today we explore natural language processing, or NLP, its components, challenges, and real-world applications. NLP is a branch of AI that allows computers to understand and interact with human language. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows AI to understand and generate human language. ChatGPT uses NLP to comprehend questions and create meaningful responses. Today we'll explore natural language processing, or NLP, its key components, challenges in understanding human language, and real-world applications like chatbots and sentiment analysis. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of AI that helps computers understand and generate human language. It combines linguistics, machine learning, and statistics. NLP can analyze text and speech, translate languages, and generate responses like ChatGPT or Siri. Natural language processing, or NLP, is an AI field aimed at enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It involves linguistics, machine learning, and statistics. NLP enables AI to analyze and understand human text and speech, translate languages like Google Translate, and generate human-like responses such as ChatGPT, Siri, and Alexa. NLP systems process human language through steps: tokenization, POS tagging, NER, sentiment analysis, and language modeling. Each step helps AI understand and predict text. Tokenization involves breaking down sentences into individual words or phrases known as tokens. For example, the sentence "AI is powerful" is tokenized into AI is and then powerful. Part of speech tagging identifies the role of each word in a sentence, such as nouns, verbs, and adjectives. For example, in the sentence "AI is powerful," AI is a noun, is a verb, and powerful is an adjective. Named entity recognition, or NER, identifies key entities like names, places, dates, and organizations in text. For example, Google was founded in 1998 in California, becomes Google, which is the company, 1998, which is the year, and California, the location. Sentiment analysis identifies emotions in text, categorizing them as positive, negative, or neutral. For example, the sentence, "This product is amazing," shows a positive sentiment. AI predicts next words in a sentence based on previous words. For example, "The sky would likely be completed as blue." This uses models like GPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Understanding human language is a challenge for AI due to ambiguity, context dependence, sarcasm, dialects, and a lack of real-world knowledge. Examples include words with multiple meanings. Context-based interpretations detect sarcasm, understanding slang, and common sense knowledge. Context dependence. The meaning of a word can change based on the sentence it is in. For example, "He is cold" could mean he's feeling cold or he's emotionally distant. AI finds it difficult to detect sarcasm without additional context. For instance, the phrase, "Oh great, another software update," can be reinterpreted as either genuine praise or frustration. AI needs to understand various accents, dialects, and slang. For instance, it should determine if lit means exciting or on fire. AI lacks real-world knowledge and human experiences, leading to struggles with common sense. For example, AI might consider putting an elephant in a fridge. considering it to be theoretically possible. Despite its power, NLP still faces challenges in fully understanding human language. Ambiguity occurs when words have multiple meanings. For instance, the sentence, "I saw a bat," can refer to either a flying mammal or a baseball bat. NLP powers various AI applications like chatbots, translation tools, sentiment analysis, speech recognition, automated customer support, spam detection, and text summarization. AI tools like ChatGPT can summarize articles and generate blog posts. NLP powers many AI applications, including chatbots and translation tools, and it continues to evolve rapidly. NLP is used in various applications such as AI chatbots, machine translation, sentiment analysis, speech recognition, automated customer support, and email and spam detection. Today we delved into what NLP is and how AI understands human language. We covered key steps like tokenization, sentiment analysis, and language modeling. We also discussed challenges such as ambiguity, sarcasm, and context dependence. Lastly, we explored real-world applications in chatbots, translation, and automation. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.